clear skies. Time to take that flight. Yeah, checklist on my mind. Gotta do it all right. Patience in the pocket, keep the future inside. Yeah, discipline's the engine, let it carry me tonight. Yeah. Half size when it's choppy, keep the risk in control. Plan trade ideas, let the vision unfold. No trades is a trade, that's the truth that I hold. Make every move count, yeah, that's how you grow. Flip back through the pages, yesterday in the log. HTF analysis, cutting through fog. Red folders on the calendar, I'm letting them pass. 5 minutes from the open, now I'm sitting on my hands. Yeah, I wake up, clear skies. Time to take that flight, checklist on my mind, gotta do it all right. Patience in the pocket, keep the future inside. Hey. Discipline's the engine, let it carry me tonight. Yeah, ABC setups, keep the risk on track. Hailing my max and never giving it back. Don't let a runner get in front of the plan. Take the base hit, stack it up, that's the jam. Every trade gets a story journal line by line. Copy trader set, yeah, the system aligned. And before I hit the button, gotta stop, gotta wait. Look for reasons not to trade, that's how you elevate. It's patience, it's progress, it's lessons I learn. Every page in the journal makes the tables turn. From the pre-flight checks to the moment I play, I'm just grateful for the grind every single day. Yeah, I wake up, clear skies. Time to take that flight. Checklist on my mind, gotta do it all right. Patience in the pocket, keep the future inside. Yeah. Discipline's the engine, let it carry me tonight. Da 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 da. One trade, 2 eyes, 3 set up.
All right, I think we're on now. Yep, there we go, guys. We're live. What's up, everyone? Good morning. Good morning. I just was rushing in here because I'm making some more coffee. Let me see. I think we're good to go. Good morning. What's up, everyone? How y'all doing? Anyone catch the other stream? Let me grab the top to my coffee cup. All right. What's up, guys? Let's get some music going. Right there. What's up, Visionary, Milmer? Wonderful stream earlier at Profit Match. Thank you so much. What's up, Kelvin? Aloha. What's up, G-Man? So I had seen this div up here at previous day value area low, and so I kind of want to stay on and watch what's going on. I have all my trades already planned out too, so I'm like, yeah, I might as well be locked in, right? It's time to lock in. I got my trading plan, and I was on the Prop for Match stream today, so shout out PFM TV. And so I'm going to be hosting that stream, London, every day, Monday through Friday, London session. I'm starting an hour after the open, so 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. And so yeah, I just did my first stream, woke up bright and early, so I'm going a little hard on the coffee today, which I actually don't really want to be going hard on extra caffeine, but it's my first day. It's Monday too, so hitting number 2 right here. But yeah, so I already planned out my trades on the prop firm match stream. It's funny though, because I planned them mostly out on top 1 futures chart. So where's that at? Oh shoot, I'm on the wrong format here. Alright guys, I'm sorry about that. I have to reset this up now. I was on the wrong deal. Okay, here we go. Alright, we're back. There we go. So I did most of my charting on top 1 futures actually, so let's look at that and see how we can get this set up better. Alright, I think that works. I think that's clear enough. So I need to change my account group though, because so these are going to be my accounts for trading just during the top 1 futures London stream. So I'm going to go ahead and change my account group. And I'm just going to put it on those 150K, so that's 38 and 44. Alright, sweet. So I have my trade ideas here on MES. I want to make sure I have them on my other chart as well. Alright, so a breakout of initial balance up high. Oh, but that was the London IB. So now, well, yeah, London IB is still in play for now. So, okay, that breakout is number 2. Number 1 is a breakout of these lows down here. And then number 3 is a breakout of the full low. Or London initial balance right here. Oh, I have another number 1. Do I have 2 number 1s? And this one's a breakout below 69.29. 69. Oh, it's literally where I had one yesterday as well. So I'm just putting these levels on my other chart here. I think that's good enough for now. That's kind of my general ideas. Also, this long I have up here. Okay, so we're good. So that's it. I just want to make sure that's congruent there, and then let's go back over there. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to double check my MES, my MNQ, and my gold. Oh, MNG, that's not the one. What is MNG? Natural gas? Wow, anyone ever trade that? MGC. So same thing here. I had a long up here that it didn't set up. It blew right through too quick. So I'm trying to get a Bookmap and everything set up. Alright, I think I'm all locked in here. So we had this long that just went without us. There's no way to take it for me. And then I think we already did all the other ones, right? We did MNQ. Longing this breakout. Okay, so that was the one I didn't have on the chart before, and that's why I changed it to say half size. Otherwise, I was talking about shorting up here, shorting down here, and maybe longing down there too. So short below previous day low. We also have previous week. And then short as well from 25,944-ish, which I have on the other chart as well. There, here, and here. Yep. Okay, so we're all good. I have it the same on both charts. So I just wanted to make sure. And then I'm gonna make sure my previous week levels are on. And then I'm pretty much already locked in though. I already had this stuff on. I just want to double check because I was focused on that other for the prop for match stream. I wanted to just have one window because of the platform that they use. Yo, so say what's up, anyone tuning in here. And we do have giveaways, so we don't have to be super strict with the amount of likes we get. We could run it pretty easy. Maybe, I mean, I was gonna say 50, but maybe we do like 30 likes or 25 likes to run the first giveaway. All right, so I think I'm all locked in here. Excuse me. I'm gonna tune in a little bit tighter here, and let's look at MES. Sorry, I hear some audio in my background. Okay, there we go. I'm good to go now. Anyone take any trades yet? I'll start a poll here. Let's do how are you on the day poll. Green, red, break even or no trades. So I'm on the no trades team. I have my ideas out there. I mean, this rejection in previous day value area low does not look bad. And what happened to my guys? All my planned trades disappeared. Like, did it just not save or something? Huh. I see what happened. Okay, here we go. So I would do this short with a half size position. So let's go to the 5 minute. Yeah, I mean, some sort of divergence here I would take. That looked clean. I'm gonna delete this because look, it's pretty much doing it a little bit. I mean, we didn't make the full breakout, but I'll delete that. I'm interested in the short here, especially now we're kind of changing this structure. Going sideways, we're going up a lot steeper here. And we have open in 40 minutes. Yeah, I mean, I would, if this looks good here, this continues to look bearish, I would consider that. I'm pulling up Bookmap on ES. I just want to see the CVD. It's been rising. So I'd have to want to see that start coming down, I think. Yeah, EMAs too are choppy right here. Not surprisingly. So yeah, I want it to be clean. I want it to look clean. I want some confluence here. All right, 75% no trades. Get some votes in. Appreciate everyone liking the stream too, so we can pull some more people in here and we can get to do the giveaways. I mean, I'm open to do giveaways anyways, but it'd be nice to get some. The likes will help bring in some views, so pump it to people's algo. So I'm gonna watch for this short here. I don't think I'm gonna take it with price action, but actually maybe I would. Let me look at this a little bit more here. I mean, a break below these lows right here. On the 30 minute though, it doesn't look as clean. The 30 minute, we had this previous area there. So on the 15-minute though, I could see that more. And it's like a change of structure from what we've been having here if we had one that broke below. But so the 5-minute, a nice big clean divergence, I guess is really what I'm looking for, but I don't know, maybe I wait for that 15-minute breakout there. I'm gonna delete that one. Kind of clean. If I do it on the 5-minute, I want it to look really clean. Like I want a big top wick or something. Business prop from account you won last Monday. Okay, let me see. I have my spreadsheet right here. That's a business lens. Yep, I got a code for you right here. Let me see. You messaged me on, I think you messaged me on Instagram. And there's another one here I have for Andrew. So I'm trying to find your business lens. Where was it on was it on Insta or X? Yeah, once I find it, let me check requested actual messages. Actually, maybe I didn't see the message yet. Yeah, I don't see it on Insta. It must be on X. Oh, it was on Insta? I have like 5 of them right here. Oh, I got you. Yep, I had missed yours. I never even responded. Okay. Okay, so this is gonna be Apex works for you, right? Is that good? All right, I just asked you if Apex works for you in your country. I'm not sure where you are. All right, guys. So look, we're getting this divergence here on MES. I don't think I'm gonna take it. If I took this, I need the well. Okay, so CVD's chopping, but it's been trending up. So I like the long, so I would want the breakout maybe below here. If I took this, I would have to have the stop loss be like above these highs here. But it would, if I took it on the next candle with a wick up and a breakdown, it would be like something like this. Right here, I don't want to change my bigger idea. I'll just drag it over here and do a different one. I have 2 minutes for this, but it's a really tight trade right here. It could be something like that. I don't like how choppy these wicks are here, so I don't think I'm going to take that. Speaking of, I also, if I'm going to take that, it would be on my NinjaTrader accounts, which I'm not even open right now. Yeah, I like this long breakout long here better. And I'm gonna look at gold. Okay, if you could get TOF, it'd be better. Okay, let me make sure because I had pretty much given away all my TOFs before this year even started for January, because so many people couldn't do the Apex. So let me double check how many TOFs I have left, if I even have any. But you've been waiting a whole week, so let me see. Okay, I got you. Okay, I'm getting you TF. Hit me up with your email here. Yep, I got one. So perfect. I got an extra one here. So, guys, this short, it didn't end up creating the div, which I'm glad anyways, because I don't want to take it. I'm gonna just delete that. So I could do the price action move with the 15-minute break here. Do a little fade action. I've been net bearish, but yeah, we didn't make a higher high here, so I'm still kind of bearish on ES. I think from my my 4-hour and daily bias, getting this whole move down, and even a break for a further breakdown, if we could break down below even like previous week low. Oh, sorry, is that previous week mid? Previous week mid, sorry, previous week mid. Which I want to make sure these levels are actually on here, right? So I'm going to put on the weekly chart. And just confirm I have that on the right candle. Nope, I need to change this. There we go. Okay. Okay, so now making sure I'm looking at that correctly, it's below this high time frame support resistance zone. And then we got a London IB breakout down here. That's a nada, or a long of the London IB BO. And this long here, I like it. I mean, I guess all the way up to previous, because that's actually a B setup right there, guys. We have the previous day value area low with the London IB. So if that's set up before New York Open, which it's only 30 minutes away, so I'm not going to count it anyways, probably. But yeah, so that's a really nice setup there. I really like that. And with this VWAP coming in hot, I like that long up there, even though it's against what my original bias was for the day. If we look at the 4-hour, I was scared that this 4-hour that we're in now was going to end up wicking up and closing down, but right now it's closing bullish. So if we go down to the 1-hour, look at all these 1-hours, but yeah, this one now, we just opened. Let's see how this 1-hour closes at 10, and I'm kind of curious to see if this gets back up here, then I like that long even more. So I'm gonna like this long here after New York IB's set, like 10:30, 10 to 10:30. I'm gonna be looking for this break of previous day value area low. So back on the 5-minute chart, right now I still can kind of see this like price action down. Looking at the hourly, maybe that was like a target tap that we continue to break down now. Like that's like a double high. Look, we have a 1-hour divergence too, and we tapped VWAP and current session point of control. So could that move down from there? Definitely, right? It could do anything, but I could see how it would look. I can imagine it right here. It's like this candle not closing as bullish as it is right now. This candle, I mean, in the next hour could even flip, and with open, we could flip down, and this could just be a continuation downtrend of the 4-hour candles, right? And this is the top wick, still perfectly in line. We haven't even broken highs on the 4-hour. So I'm thinking that I can still be open to the short here. And then as we go down time frame, I would want a good reason for that. And like right now, it would be this 15-minute breakout trade to the downside. I don't know what else to call it here. There's the target right there. So I would take this on the accounts I'm just using for the that price action strategy. Bomba, what's up? Bomba says, I'm bullish, but London low should be taken if I want to long. Okay, so you'll want to see that sweep first. And is that like on a daily thing? Do you look at that like, is that like starting New York session? You want to see that? And that's when you take a reversal? You missed a giveaway last Friday because I fell asleep. Oops. That's nice to sleep though. All right, I'm getting you that account, Business Lens. Thank you for your patience on that. And shout out Top 1 Futures and Apex for hooking us up with these giveaways. Boom. All right, I sent the message, so he has to add it manually. Oh man, I just remembered that I have a fresh cup of coffee. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff, guys. That's a strong tree. This is the best. You should order some of that. Small roaster. Strong tree coffee. I used to work for them when I was a teenager. All right, so let's look at gold too. Okay, so what I want is a retest down here. I put my previous week levels on gold. That's cool. Okay. Okay, I like that. And if we look at the 1 hour, this is kind of what I'm thinking. Or maybe it's on 30 cleaner. 15. I guess I just like this whole area down here. And I guess because we have that, I happen to have this level here, I put it on the chart. Now I can't unsee it. Like a close back above. That'd be like the ideal. So I kind of like that. This is on the 15-minute chart right now. I mean, I could argue this. It's so bullish, right? If we got a nice little onion set up there. But we have New York coming in 20 minutes, so I'm going to chill on that for now. Bro, I passed my Funded Futures challenge. Do you have any promo code for the activation fees? No. I don't, my Funded Futures code Luna works, but they don't give me any money for it. So because I didn't make enough, so they canceled me, but the code still works. So I'm hoping one day to reclaim it. Now I have a bunch more subscribers, so maybe I should hit them up actually. Because my Funded Futures has pretty straightforward rules, right? Like people like them a lot. I forget why though. There's always one reason that for some reason I probably haven't been using them. If there's a rule that I didn't like. As far as I know, pretty straightforward to get the payouts and stuff. All right. I like that. Man, I kind of want to answer this call. Hold on a second. I think it might be important. All right, sorry. So, what's up, guys? We got Session Flow in the house. Maximus. It looks like we're gonna wait for open here. I'm gonna scoot this over a little bit. All right. I think we're pretty locked in. I could look at silver. I'd rather not, though. It's already too much going on. Oh yeah, what I do want to do though is get my Ninja Trader up. I feel a little bit of less pressure on my stream after being on the prop for match stream. I'm like, yeah, I can do whatever I want. Like, if someone doesn't want to be on here, that's fine with me. But representing for the company, I'm like, I want to make sure it's on point. But I always want to make sure my stream's good. You know, I want to try my best to make it good, whatever that means. You know, showing up, prepared, ready to go. I like this little breakdown here, but we have, yeah. It's still the same short, right? That's the same short that we had on MES. Okay, yeah. So I'd rather this MES breakdown here. Yeah, so we're not, I mean, we could get that in 3 minutes, I guess. If we got that, I would maybe take that short into the open. I'm kind of leaning against it. Maybe I would go half size. Originally, though, I was talking about half size for the longs, not for the shorts. So I'm actually going to delete that. And yeah, I might take this here if it happens to set up. I doubt it's going to set up though. Good morning, Luna. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. What's up? What's up? Digital Nukes in the house. Good morning. Okay, so I got Ninja Trader up. I want to make sure my copy trader's set. I already kind of went through my pre-flight checklist, so I feel pretty locked in. If anyone wants to, I can go through it again. Maybe I can. Let's open up my trade journal. I don't know where. Oh, there it goes. It's over here. Set copy trader, check risk limit, profit target, and all accounts. So I am going to do that right now. I'm going to check my risk limit. I don't have it set right now. Okay, there we go. I already was forgetting that. So I'm going to change it to be 500 or 600 on my 50Ks. So I'm going to go ahead and edit that. That's a little bit different than I've been doing it. I've been just keeping it a little bit loose. Like, see, all these are set at 1,000, but I went on tilt and tilted out hard and moved it because I overtrade it. And it should just go automatically. Nope. Okay, so I gotta do each one. Some of them, though, I have set to higher size. And some of these accounts aren't even here anymore. like that right there. Oh, never mind. No, I thought that said it was a past account. Okay, we're good. And last but not least, right there. Yep. Okay, we're good on that. And this account is 3 times the size, but I think that account is. Oh, I guess it's not blown. I'm just gonna put 1,000. I guess I'm gonna put 1,000 on it. I guess I should do 1,200. See, I don't really know. I'm gonna put 2,000. I don't know. 1,500. 1,500. And daily goal on these. That one, I think it's 450. Oh, now I'm forgetting. That's a. I think it's a 30% consistency rule. I'll just put 500 for now. I think it's more, yeah. And then for these Apex, it's like 750. It's really 800 and something. But I'm trying to do 750, so let me edit the actions here, and I will go to profit goal 750. Oh no, daily goal, not profit goal. Daily goal right here, 750. All right, there we have it. One more here, daily goal 750. So that will automatically close the trades when we hit 750. Oh, one last one. Oh, this is the 25k Tradeify account. So daily goal on that, I believe the most it can be is 450 for the consistency rule. I might need to double check that again. I should have it written in my journal, but I think it's 450. All right, there we go. We're all set up, and I'll make the daily loss limit on that lower as well. I'm trading it like it's I'm trading it more aggressively, like it's a 50k. So I'm gonna put the daily loss limit at 600. All right, so I'm locked in here. My copy trader is set. High time frame analysis, I already did that. Plan trade ideas, I already did that. Look for reasons not to take a trade. Correct mistakes immediately. Ask myself if I'm okay taking a loss before taking the trade. Trading, staying within my hours. ABC setup, sizing wise. Put my trades on the screen. And reminders, half size or eval for choppy pre-market. No trades is a trade. Make every trade count. Check rebuild dates. No entering trades 5 minutes within open or red folder news. Don't let a runner get in the way of a scalp. And complete journal entry for each trade. And this last candle didn't close bearish, right? That 15-minute. So, oh, I'm on the wrong screen here. Sorry, right here. So this candle didn't close bearish, that last 15-minute. And this one's going to be the market open. So I probably won't be taking that trade, right? I'm just going to delete that. We can still watch it a little bit, but I'll probably just delete it. I'll leave it on for now, I guess. Gold broke back down in the range here. All right, so we got open coming in. Guys, this week we don't have news today, but we have news Tuesday through Thursday, I believe. And then I don't think anything on Friday. I'm trying to find chat here. Oh yeah, here we go. We got chat. Good morning. I already read that one. What's up? Too old to trade. I don't know if you are ever too old to trade. Yo, bro, do you have a BX discount? Is that Bullinox? Yep. Code Luna. It should be the current one if it's Bullinox. I just looked at that. Let me double check right now. I don't have any Bullinox accounts right now, but I use them for Rithmic. So, but I just started. I only have done a few of them, but I blew them, so I haven't gotten a payout yet on Bullinox. Yep, Luna will get you. Oh, there's a new discount. Oh, guys, just starting on the 9th to the 15th. Okay, here we go. Let me set this up. So code Luna on Bolinox gets you. Oh, hold on, I have to fix this. Edit. All right, it gets you 83% off. 83% off all the account types. It looks like option 1, yeah, 25k, 50k, 100k, 150k, 250k, 83% off until the 15th, and then the rest of the month the deal is, as of now, is scheduled to be 45% off. So 83% off Bolinox until the 15th. Alright, I'm going to start prepping for open here in 10 minutes. I guess I should set up my toss charts. Alright, so I'm going to do previous day high. We can make that green. Well, so first previous day value area high, previous day value area low, color it green, and we'll do previous day high and low. There's a mid in there somewhere, and then we have previous week levels too, so I'm actually going to go ahead and put those on too, weekly. I don't want to crowd this chart too much. What color should I do those? I'll just make them white. Maybe I'll do the previous week as yellow. Kind of a universal color I can always use. Okay, I'm gonna try that, 'cause I'm not using yellow for anything else. So that's the previous week high and low, but I know we have a mid in there, but I don't know how this Fibonacci tool in here doesn't really let me do what I want to do. Let's see what this one does. No, that's for a channel. Alright, well, I'll just draw it on like that for now. So going back down to the 15 or 30 minute on this chart. Oh, and then we have previous day point of control. Boom. All right, locked in. So that's my ES chart here. I should have done it on MES. Same stuff though. I really should have done it on MES. Dang it. Alright, previous day high, previous day low, and then previous week high and low. Alright, perfect. I think we're good. So I'm set up for the open. We have 7 minutes, so I'm actually going to take a quick break and get some fresh air. and just move my legs and be ready to trade this open. I've already been trading since 4 in the morning. Isn't that wild, guys, doing the London session? So let's go back over the trading view screen. Look at gold breaking back down there. Man, that's... If this breaks back up there, I might be interested in that after a little New York Open action. Let me see chat. Sorry, I got away from chat. Alright guys, I'm gonna be right back. What did you miss? I don't think you missed anything. Oh, you missed a morning stream. Oh yeah. How you doing, Miss K? Feline Futures in the house. The one and only. I'm gonna take these 5 minutes real quick and then be ready for the open. Alright guys, I'll be RB. All right. Are we ready to go? Oh yeah, we do have giveaways, guys. Don't forget, we can run some giveaways. I'm pretty open to however many likes. I forget what I said in the beginning stream, at 31 or something. I'm putting the music on for myself. I couldn't hear the music. Now I can. We have planned trade ideas ready to go. Man, I'm tempted to take this short. 41 seconds for the open. Let's look at MNQ. So NQ made that short, guys. This 5-minute div actually ended up setting up. Look at that. Played out perfectly. On ES, did that div play out? It doesn't look like one set up on ES. And we never closed below this on ES, so I wouldn't have wanted to take that. That would have looked too scary for me, too choppy. So nothing here to do. I'm not going to take a trade off the open unless it was a gold trade. Which I don't want to take the short though. So here we are. Here's the open. So I could take the trade here. I could take this gold short breaking down below here. I mean, that looks way too scary for me. But yeah, I'm not really that interested in it. Yeah, I'd rather wait for my planned trade ideas. Break back up or test these lows. Oh wow, okay, so MNQ just broke up, which is really what I wanted to see for MES long right here, for this long. So I'm going to look for this. I'm going to look at it actually on the 5-minute too. I mean, maybe I could take this on the 15-minute breakout of this area. It looks pretty clean. To be honest, this last candle here looks pretty clean to take that long, but that happened so quick. Like, I could have argued for that long there with that 15-minute close, a 15-minute close, but it's not. I don't like to trade within the 5 minutes of the open like that because it can be too volatile for me. So I'm looking at this holding previous day value area low, trading that back up to previous day value area high. But before then, we have previous day point of control as a good target, and especially with VWAP below us, I like that. Are we gonna get it? This is gonna have to come back down to earth. Well, that's a good level, guys. The level was good. If this 15-minute candle here had closed above these ones, it would have looked better. It did close above this kind of resistance here. I mean, that candle looked nice, but it still was like scary. Yeah. Anyone catch this long here though? Oh shoot, you know what? I gotta double check my meeting schedule real quick. Okay, 10 a.m. I got 30 minutes. Alright, gold is holding. Gold is bouncing. We need this to come back down to earth. Create structure down here. I mean, maybe we just create a big fat div. Div-a-rooney. So guys, I'm looking at the times of these meetings. I don't know if they just changed them. I have no clue. Oh, I think I'm good until 10. Alright, I'm chilling, guys. So let's see what happens here. Look at that previous day mid rejection. MES. Alright, so I'm going to end the poll and we can start a new poll. And so what should we do for the giveaway today? I guess I'll just do a giveaway form. So gold might be my best bet here. Let's see what the 30-minute looks like. I mean, yeah, pretty close, pretty clean break back down. Like this short here, still like I can't help but see it. But I'm not trying to short gold, and I'll keep saying that as many times as I have to say it to stop myself from doing it. Especially like the structure here. Higher lows, higher highs. So I'm going to be patient. If it does pull back, then great, we get a long for cheaper. And a breakdown below this, I might actually short that. Like, breakdown below these lows. Do I have that on my... Yeah, I do have that on top 1 futures here. See, that was one of my planned trade ideas right there. So I'm just going to copy that and go over here. I put that down here. Whatever, something like that. All right, so I like this long break back up though. I don't know how aggressive I'd want to be with the entry. But let's see how these candles close. We got 7 more minutes for this 15-minute candle. So this might be my trade right there. I like this as like a TP1 right there, depending on how this sets up. If I take this, it's going to be on my top 1 futures accounts and on my, I guess, top step accounts. Yeah, what's up, Chrono Ember? I've been enjoying having you in the Discord. A few new people in the Discord right now. I've been enjoying following along. But yeah, you've been doing good write-ups on your trades and your charts. I really love how detailed you are. It's crazy. Like, it stands out, and just in a way of like, okay, I notice those things to see who I imagine is going to progress more. And there's always different stages and levels, right? Like, we go through a phase of learning new things and going through different struggles and stuff, but having that detail and that tracking your results and stuff is what's up. And so I love to see that. It keeps inspiring me to keep it up too, in the way that I have been logging all my trades. All right, so gold is breaking up here. 5 minutes for this candle close. If we can close above this too, then that's perfect. And maybe necessary at this point for me. I don't know, maybe not, but it'd be nice for it to close right above that, like a little top wick. Yeah, really, I was just saying above this. It gets a little wide. Like, I'd love to have a stop loss below these highs right here. 5 minutes left for that candle. Let's sneak a peek at MES real quick. Yeah, so that just went without us. Boom. Very bullish breakout there. The CVD had been grinding up, and then at the very end here, it started to kind of fade off, and then it still popped right through. But this trend was really bullish here. This right here, I was watching the cumulative volume delta just keep going up, making me think that that's new buyers coming in. Yeah, that looks pretty clean in hindsight. That move up looks really clean. I hope Rips caught that. I think he's still in the truck. Oh, he tried to fade it. He waited for that and then tried to fade it. And stopped out for a small loss. Interesting. Oh, please put in the form. All right, I didn't even make the form yet. Here, let's get that. Thank you for reminding me. Okay, so you're gonna put your name, email, and YouTube username. And you need to follow me on either X or Instagram. So Lunamod, Joe will drop that in the chat. What's today? The 12th. Alright guys, the form is ready. Let me get that in the chat. All right, here we go. Giveaway form. How many likes have we gotten? I mean, I'd like to try to at least milk some likes from it. But we can run one. We'll run one, guys. It's Monday. Someone needs a new account. There's someone out there who needs a new account. All right, wow. MNQ is hitting that previous day value area high. Okay, guys, I'm interested here on MNQ to fade this move. Oh, whoa, Rips is trading prop accounts again? I haven't seen him trade a prop account in a long time. I don't actually know. I wasn't tuned in, so I won't tune in now, though. I don't want to get distracted. Let's see. All right. So, yeah, we're testing this previous day value area high on NQ. I'm going to watch this 30-minute close and potentially short that. I have a meeting right at that time. But that's on my Atos accounts. And in the future, this is a special occasion, but I normally don't do meetings before 11:30. Let's see. Yeah, I'm interested in this close here. On for my other trades, I'm looking for the short up here, but I maybe will take this here with the 30-minute candle close. All right, gold. Whoa, wait. What happened to gold? Guys, we got that close above, but not up, man. It's not. Guys, this is stressful to me. It's not really how I want it. I mean, it is. I really just want it over this. I kind of want to take it. This little resistance there, but we blew right through it on that way, guys. I think I'm going to take this still. What's the stop loss? $500 per mic, or $50 per micro. I could do like 10 or 8. Really like 8. Oh wait, there's that little. Not by 3. Alright, nice. I like that we're running those levels down there. Sweep those lows. And then TP1 is going to be like right here. Limit sell 4. Oh wait, sorry, hold on. Let me switch. Right there. Man, this might have actually just grown too big. Oh, so what's 67 times 8? Man, I need to 67 times 8. I need to up my math game here. 534. So really, that's more like 7 or 6. Stop by. I'll just do 5. That's 335. So I'm being safe with the risk on it. So we're gonna do a little bit under risked, because I don't really like this thing here. I'm gonna actually delete my volume profile on here because I don't really like the way it is. I want to make sure too that my orders are a tick or two above, especially for MGC, for the micros, 2 ticks. And I'm gonna be really quick to move that to break even. If this keeps going too, I'm gonna take the trade-off. All right, we might still get it. How much time do we have on this? Yeah, 11 minutes. Great. Okay, we're good to go. All right, 70 now per micro. I'm risking 350 on these 150Ks. That's totally cool. I guess I'm only gonna do one on Top Step. I have 2 set on Top Step right now, so that's. But on this one account, I only have $200 left on it, and it's ready for payouts too. Like if I got the P&L in it, so I'll probably just be really quick to move that to break even, or I'll cover the one. Whatever, I'll cover the first one real quick. I'll drag that down and then move my stop to break even really fast. And if this stays down, I'm not gonna fill it. And the more that struggles too, I might not fill it. But here we go. Time to party. Should I take a screenshot though? Yep. I got my screenshot. And there we go, we got filled at 9:51. All right, we're in. Get my stop losses on. Oops. So I'm gonna be quick to cover. Oh, this is not 4, 3. Limit, sell 3. I'm gonna be quick to cover one on top step, I guess. I might just even cover that there. Okay, one on cover. Top step I already locked in. So I can't lose on top step. Alright, so we're kind of stalling right at here. So I'm kind of thinking about taking this off too. And getting my something. But I'll wait. I'm gonna be a little patient with this. I'm trying to be patient with the top 1 futures accounts because I'm risking right. I'm risking 350. So I'm not going to worry about it. Right. Here we go. I'm going to take it. And I'm going to move it to break even. Locked it in, guys, on both those accounts. Patience. Patience pays. If this could just pop up here, that would be amazing, guys. I'm going to actually set one limit sell. Because it's small. It's actually a pretty small win considering the size of these accounts. I think, you know, just because of how long that's taking, 6 more minutes for this candle close. Yeah, I mean, I probably could have been more patient. Let's see if it tags where I had it. I had it right up here. Man, I might just cover this and take my money. Let's get one more little push. Even though it's a small win, I'd rather take the extra money than get stopped out at break even. We still made $100 bucks. But so you know what I think I'm gonna do? Just cover one. I'm out. I almost would take this other one too, but I'm gonna give it a chance. It's just it's holding right below this level. If we go to trading view. Not to get me out at break even on this last lot. I would just take the, like, at this point, guys, I'm not trying to like care. Like, extra 20 bucks is 20 bucks. Like, if I think it's gonna go to my break even, I might as well make the extra money, right? There's that little chance though, but it gets into that greed factor of like wanting it to keep going. And so that's why I went in between and I took that one lot off, right? Like, an extra 25 bucks right now is cool. Risking that amount though, and there we go, stop that break even. See, I could have made an extra 50 bucks in total, but at least I covered that one. So all right, that's done. So I'm gonna take one more screenshot, and the trade idea is actually still valid at the moment. You know, we haven't gone to the full stop yet, but W's, guys, we were patient, we waited, and we get a win on the session. These were the trades I planned out on the prop for match stream. Right, that's at least how we started. We started all this analysis there. So that was a 15-minute breakout. I mean, it was also kind of a celery. So I'm gonna I don't know what I'm gonna mark it as. Let's see, top 1 futures and XFAs, New York. I got into this at at 9:51. MGC, breakout, but it's kind of a celery play too. We were long. Are we above or below VWAP? Man, this trade actually still looks totally fine right now, but we're holding below that level again. This one right here. We are above VWAP, and VWAP's going up. Oh no, VWAP is below us and it's going up. Okay, and so we got 124 times 2, so yeah, low size. So I got about half an R on this, but everything about this was low. I did low size from the beginning, and I think it's just because I'm about to have to get off stream, and I don't even know how much I made on these because I'd already lost a little bit. So let me see my screenshot. So this screenshot should be a better quality than this. Man, I don't know how much I made on these ones. I'm gonna just look at it. 13.4. So one of them at break even. $3 points. 2 points on one of them, and on the other one 3.2. So 52 bucks times 3 accounts. So small P&L. I kind of whatever. 52 times 3. Those accounts I was on, they're on like life support. One of them is. So that's 52. And we got stopped at break even. So yeah, it makes sense. 52 times 3 plus 124 plus 124. So that's up 404 on that trade. Does not hurt. That definitely does not hurt. 404. And that's another win here. So 19 wins. 1 for New York session, 7. And that was it's kind of celery, but it was kind of, I took it kind of like a breakout more. So I'm gonna put a breakout. 87% win rate. Sick, guys. Well, I guess I'm gonna do the one and done thing, and I got a win on the day and just call it good. I'm gonna watch this 30-minute candle close, but I got a meeting to join right now. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day. I'm gonna be back tomorrow for London session on the PFM stream, and then I'm gonna be doing my stream back to normal. Today I'm getting cut off early because of these meetings, but then tomorrow I should be back on. I think I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna start doing like 9 to 11, 9 to 12 or something like that. 9 to 11:30. All right, guys. I'll see you there. All right. Peace out, everyone. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Trade safe and good luck. And we're gonna save the giveaway. If you fill out the giveaway form, you get 2 entries tomorrow. All right, guys. Peace out. See ya.
In the trades, in the park. Over, baby.
We ain't proud of all this stuff.
Yeah. Lunar trades, we don't play. Lock in when the bell ring. RSI divers catch the flip, that's a real thing. Break the initial balance, break out, or a fake swing. Markets move fast, stack it up, hit a cash change. Charts on my mind when the sunrise glow. London open calling, watch the levels explode. Patience in the pocket, let the setup unfold. Discipline the weapon, profits never get old. Wrist tight, stop right, I don't chasing the noise. Every candle got a story, I just listen to the voice. I be locked. Now the breakout choice, the virgins on the orange side, money talking and poise. Lunar trades, we don't play. Lock in when the bell ring. RSI the virgins catch the flip, that's a real thing. Break the initial balance, break out, or a fake swing. Markets move fast, stack it up, hit a cash sing. Brick hold it down, keep the chat on fire. Moderator hustle, take the game up higher. NY session running, watch the traders conspire. Discipline the key, never fold, never tire. Journal every move,